Bora, bonyeza *789*788# kupata muuzaji wa jiko lililoboreshwa aliye karibu nawe. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwenu na Wizara ya Kawi na Petroli na washirika wenza.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Osabo kwabira kubatkana muno kubura kweli gikorende ngo kwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Inye litkeri gari Jumanne tariki 12 cy'umutunyi go 11 omwaka w'igakinga ky'abariki baitoba mangana maya babikire kambikorwa a Chinsemo a onchenkoro kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sensemeli yaje manyerero ni gakoro kwa Wilson Makori kabana ntwe kwa mwere. Mwanchumuri ritkoria rero nigo muske Jacob Onkeo anyakabogotiani gwakoba omoclark gwe county assembly ya Kisii aniga nyakabaga konekigwa maega ye county assembly ya Kisii kuiranirira ebikaro bya ritkoria rero asebanya koba bakwena na eritalia Jacob Onkeo abwa seboigo omonogeri bwe bunge ye county assembly ya Kisii omuske Dr. Philip Nyanumba anyakoba ogweti eritalia na komuralia bene ochi yakoba omuriki omonere bwe county ya Kisii gosomo Clark unatokuligiria orobotyo.
Someone you don't know someone, you can be able to work and be able to be commended so long as you provide the service that you are required to provide. He was the principal of Mheshimiwa Moracha some time back, and I want to also conclude by saying ours is to approve the report based on the process. Having looked at the report, there was an advertisement that called on the candidates. Anyone who was willing to apply could have applied for the job. Very many people came out and applied for the job. Very many of them were actually shortlisted as shown in the report, and even some of them chose not to appear, but they were given an opportunity to come forth and present their credentials. I've gone through the scores and I am impressed that Honorable Onkeo, the entire panelists, all of them scored him with an A. The person who gave Onkeo the lowest marks, who is our very own Honorable Lillian, gave Onkeo 80%. And that means he was a candidate for Form 4, he actually got a straight A. And I have no reason to doubt the knowledge of and the competence of the people who sat in the board to award these marks. Because as you can see, he got 86 from you, Honorable Speaker, he got 90 from Honorable Paradiso, he got 80 from Lillian Gold, he got 87, he got 84. Even me, who is one of the sharp people, I never scored this in Form 4. I actually got something to do with B+. But this guy has scored an A plain. And we want to thank him for the work he has done. And I'm very sure and positive, having worked with him as a deputy speaker, we interact a lot, especially on rendering the services to the members who sit here. We have had challenges with the COB whenever we are.
Mchumuri asensemo endeni go omonogeri bwe bunge county assembly ya Kisii muske Dr. Philip Nyanumba nigana kiha gotiani gwa kwa Jacob Onkeo asaberika otemna nigobara chikuboterana mune county ya Kisii area kwekina.
If the leader majority, there is a leader minority. For us, we have wings. And for you, you are the CEO of the county assembly, and you not be required to take sides. Give us an opinion that is expert in nature and that does not sideline or show which side you belong. If you do that like the night before, definitely we have an assembly that will be able to progress and move to the next level. To all the members of county assembly of Kisii, I want to thank you very much. We do not look at where you come from. Like Mheshimiwa Mbate said, do not, once you are now confirmed, do not go back to the Mulima. Please serve all of us, and one of us, regardless of where we come from, and serve us like you've done before. Mungu akubariki na akusaidie until we finish this term. Asante sana.
Thank you. Mine is very simple. First of all, is to congratulate Mr. Jacob Onkeo. Secondly, to make a few remarks. One, Mulima that we're in Kisii County, and the witness of those who were in the assembly, Honorable Amos Yonderi spelled very well the 4 functions of the clerk. There are actually 4, and you stick with the 4 functions of the clerk.
Mine is to our clerk. Congratulations. Please keep the diligence and the advice you've always given us to serve everybody impartially. Keep up. Thank you, honorable members, for supporting the work of the board. We appreciate this. And for the public, please keep doing your oversight work. We are happy and here ready.
Mwanchumuri kwina asense mwende ritko liarera sentunda ende nigo omugavana gwe county Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati atekera nabo siubwe committee eriyo kurigereria amangana n'obutumeki nabo igobo bagibo kibesa aerere enchera kibesa cyatumegete asomwa ku 2021 2022 2023 niko bono aberika guchikwa guchia gwikirana abo siubwe committee ye kurigereria amangana yo anamano committee ya public accounts committee nyatalibo nigara chigwa kwa obwoin bwishiringi kiribu kimisano roboti uru nigoro ariganirwa n'umurikito David Bogonkonyo kangi kurase county ya Nairobi.
Lero nande nentundende asumugavana we county ya Kisii omoske Simbarati atanyara kuba kawikirana bosiobwe committee ya county public accounts committee go sipa committee ye senate eyo ekoligeria na kolingo lya obutumiki wechibesa ye county Mugavana Simbarati niganyara kwa kagotuma liukolyaye litukolya lero elyo gusaba mabera gutaikirana bosiobwe committee yo nokolende asaba senator asemo senator okoraye committee litukolya lero muske Samson Chiraligei yoro senator we county ya Nandi anyara kwa kagotuguterale okubani oko wa Simbarati gosaba wa Simbarati.
Finally today we were supposed to meet the county executive of Kisii to consider the audit reports and financial statement for financial year 2020, 2021 and 2022. Both the county revenue fund, the county executive and receiver of revenue.
Ogotaikirana bosio we committee yo litko lya lero ni okwanyara kwa gokolenta libera linene ase gosebosio boba senator asanyara kwa kagoteba buna eke negetambo kerekebe goseke korekebe gochi asaba gavana bangendere kunyara kwa bagochaya wikirana bosio we committee che senate Chiraligei niganyara kwa kagoteba buna nigo arachikonyara kwa kawika bosio we senate gosobosi we committee enene ye senate asara nyara kwa kagochigo kwanera naboigo kubeka amaramekaye gosamalamisha ye bosio we speaker buna chigavana chinyinge nigo chigenda kunyara kwa chigo chaya chi committee che senate
refusing to appear before Senate committees and disrespecting OAG and other relevant institutions as required by Constitution, and we must discuss on the floor of the House as far as we are concerned what will be the way forward, because now this is undermining the role of the Senate.
Disregard of appearance of governors, and in fact as a committee we are mulling with an option of censuring a number of governors who have failed to appear before the Senate committees with of course serious consequences and breach of the Constitution, which forms the basis of the violation, which are impeachable offense. So I shall issue a statement and name governors who continue to disregard, disrespect and become unavailable before the committees of parliament. Yet we do the work that accountability is part of leadership. And in fact, in future, we are looking this as impeachment offenses, and we might end up even coming up with a motion, a legislative intervention to allow Senate on its own motion to start impeachment proceedings against governors who fail to appear before the committee. And when they fail to appear before the committee, they violate the Constitution, they violate the law. And that ground is one of the grounds which is impeachable offense under the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya.
Bono egetambukero gyo committee gose kubwatikana nelichiko mugavana Simbarati onyatali kunyara kubaka wikirana bosio we committee yo asentundende nigo aranyara kubaka wakwe faini ye shilingi 1500 nanda andake guchikonyara kubaka kubwatwa onyatali guchikonyara kubaka wikirana asentunde yo.
The directions of the committee is that this matter where governors failed to appear has been rescheduled twice on request of the county government led by the governor Simbarati on several occasions on only one reason of traveling outside the country without giving the reason why he's traveling outside the country. The committee treats this as a contempt towards the committee and also inhibiting the constitutional obligation and functionality of this committee. The committee directs as follows: that formal summonses be issued through the clerk of the Senate to summon the governor of Kisii, Governor Simba Arati, to appear before the committee, and failure to which fine shall be issued against him, and also we shall direct the Inspector General of Police to look, search, and produce the governor of Kisii to provide information on usage of money that belongs to the people of Kenya on financial year 2021-2022 and financial year 2022-2023. Because even the first financial year of Governor Simba Arati was to be this financial year 2022-2023. We also direct the corporation, because up to now, the entity has refused to cooperate with the Office of the Auditor General and other offices to ensure the smooth auditing process of total revenue that goes to Kisii County government under Governor Simba Arati and his government.
Kuripoti ya Getembe TV kurwase county ya Nairobi, ilitaliane bugongo nyokangi.
Mwanchumuri atukwira na asense mwende nigo egati ya abarai baburi gwe kwana kengo chibare kurenda abagotu chingaki bagenderete kwagenderia amono bugima bwabo aniganya kabakone kigwa asense melia igegotu gutoka sub county ya Samete bunge abase county ya Kisii na boni gabange baburi gwe na gusegetwa kwana kengo chibare kuira abagotu none kinyagitari n'inchiremo yo konyora ubugweni
na abana kitogo chiko barendaka egento nanyorire na abatebya mapema inganga gende skuru ki primary ibere na agenda kana na ki primary skuru ibere entanga ninkanyora asa abayiburi ya misini abayiburi aba kambarenga bari aba kambabiri na chire mekutana ya abayiburi ki skuru baga kambari go ki skuru
egento gyoka you must register. It's different na ngariri kwa renge kwa sena chaivu. Oikome member ya SHA. Na SHA yuko register is free unless kwa enda se SHAIPA, usikuwa enda se facility etari ya serikali.
Chicho, nchiyo pibono. Nkale ko shima bakwa enda mwatene ne kenyore kekego gama na atwa ondoka. Alina baswati ababake. Ntobwata abagotwa maene. Njena aleta tata byara bakwa mweli. Kia toko nyo mungi na chande kete nyomba yani bakatabwa atyo yo gosokino ne bintane kire. Ama ena tole bon.
Aba community health promoters no ene tage kaibere. Moku metinge mobwate pressure. Ya. Ntokane tia masabu. Aba iga babatebi buna momenyete. Amangana ababaye aikerekere omuntu. Ayana aramana. Asobo gimabwe inensei.
Abantu baminto ama ene pulesero nero nesukali ekere pulesero ro monto kwamanya kobisa unabana chinga kinchira ro abanyagitari baetete mondo ma yataba ngango ende kuba
Mwanchumuri atukwira na asense mwende chiamate chiria chibwate oborema ao ritkoria rero kurwa sense melia ye bunge ya kitutu cha chenote ward ya sensi ni gobali ne kibakokera maiga konyora obokonyi kurwa somusamalimu ya sireta Joshua Makori Nyarenchi okwana chinga kecho bari bonse banyora obokonyi nigo babire bakokera egitambo kirekeiga muna tukomanyigwa no murikito Daniel Ontiri
Mugano ho Charles Mukayo Mbura kurwa mwanya gotuga iye gotoka mwamunali ase ward ya sensi meye bonge ya kitutu cha cheno ase county ya Kisii uyu senate we no murugi na abana batatu umunene we myaka 13 uyu kabere we myaka 10 no yo gatatu we myaka 3 magaga yokoro arasege Getembe umurugi wo musacho iga nigasirete bugema bwae metinye 3 ya etire akamutigera abana barabake ikyo kyamwerete gutigara nemechando au egatiabo koburwa hase bakorara akuburo bintu binde byengencho egatiabo chiangane ndagira egento kebegete afya yabasa kongu kubatekana nayo ya matiga nigo litukulelero yabwate kurobo konyi bwa bene webinto byokorarera nechindagira obokonyi bwatokwa nekiombe getari ye serikali ya Joshua Makori Nyarenchi wetera hasabisi ya Nyarenchi Stella Tinega chinga kyaringe gusangane getaseni kya Getembe otebuna talibuna nigo bobwate binge kolende ngwetera somoyo bugwancha na kurwa gosira bali bale bokonyora wense
etwacha somucho yesingencho nobokongu twachito last time tokarara yagera twatara gocheiga korara abana twatigite mamu mwabo igasirete when it was last month yagera twaiche twacha korara abana batigarite gaiga twanyorete ng'a obokungu mbware ngororo butaringe boke babwate beddings baringe kurarira ndagira njare ngororo so ikagera tukimuka ijukumu ibune foundation twachari kuri rero bokonya abana abo torore gose tobakonye bagende the next level
igorende nagendete gusuma ibintu ebinge nende togende kwene ngambi ya mona siga singi yagokora nende tugusaba kimutuga iga ntwa kira singe twari yo bakongoro na abana abantu bali asaba gusoma school asubinge na satamba kintu ali request watenga baira nigunka rioma next year torre ngaki nyasago ko babandero ni uniform n'ibintu bibiganiri basomera ngase batari gusiturago n'ubugima
Getembe kerekiga nigokia umubaro munene bw'abamenyi hasense miga aboigo baikiranirio koenekia na barabo basinywa kubiso mogoko kubwatekana ne Getembe kerekiga akomoteba Joshua kobo mosae oikirania chira na mono ekyalierete amatiga yo kubasira n'ebintu byokurarira n'endagera litko lia matanga aboigo kolira gocha kubasira samangana ye school fees
mwera limbi yamono andi nyasamu beko akinto bwatia
gokonya umwana minto nasa nyinga ale meire murocha bana bwatinga barabake kwanka kegia bakoya mawo mwabo
itutu chache no tietu arabarorire gweta muna mugendere gokonya lakini rero rende muna tu abarorire seita mwachire gokonya umwana uyo minto twira ni ringa mbia mono museseniwe nande twatwarira bare muno kwigenanga nagendere gokonya bokonya onyoro bokonya wetera so musubati olio ominto Margaret Fred na saba sese nanu mutwara atwara moyo bokogendere gokonya na bari batageto bokonya
Grupo Getembe kia Getembe kuraiga kitutu cha Chino thase county ya Kisii Filtera nenguruku Daniel Ontiri
Kimbe mona sana mulikito Daniel Ntiri oroboto ruwa mulikito oito Daniel Ntiri na rugo toira asense million tangani twanda sense mo yakabere ye studio tunyaka batokonya robo sembi wa Getembe kurena tagendra mo Ekeonga Chinsa Inye Toskar
kara abantu mbatugete Chiombe bari kogende Kirisi bono bagoteba naki ne kyanya kamo ginyaliso liomo kya butori nyankuru kyarane ngo yoketigarete incyanje muntu okumbalizo data Chiombe okumbalizo cyakire Chiombe rero ninki ebese Chiombe gendo kike abantu bawo baliyoire Chiombe gendo ki no buli mubwao ebintu biriyoire ira liyangoro ngambi yamono kwanso bwate bintu bwata abana baliwo kuna gwetogeri yabo togori eliso kabisa lenda bintu byawo borongonya no bulimo onye ni Chiombe no ni chingoko kirende paka no mutugeto paka jingondi chingunyiranze paka chimpira mete cyamo ne chisimpagera lenda buya no cyale ngo kale bare otana ki ne cyanya kamo ginyaliso liomo kya butori nyankuru kyanene ngo yoketigalete incyanje te muntu ukumbalizo ko cyakire no ne kibesa akabesa ubwate kalende bya tona usishaka syakeria bara nora wajira ozenga jukwachi ko cya to kumanya bona ngebintu ebyo ngaki bintu ebyale ngenje kabiro
Bagaka ninjo Getembe ninjo darome mangana bagina ninjo
Right mwanjo muri karimu naenda sense meiga ya kabire ne ya mwali Ekeonga Chinsa Inye butkobo igabe jumane abasta kwanda kurwase county ya Kisii kubatkana amono boremerwa kurwa achiamate a anamono kurwase county ya Kisii niko amate makurwa asense meli ya Mirimani ebodi ya Kisii Central bunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii niko bari ne kibakokera maega yo Moske Joel Okengo nyambane kubakonya wakana ebil ya nyagitari ya birige kubachana nabo iko umubere konya kuba kutigara senkendu asegeke Getembe bono abange niko babiri bakokera Getembe kiaye mono konya kaboko ne kinga obere ka gwesoke na okonya chiama tijiria tari kwenyara
badu twakwamira akarna ko no mugambi Okengo iga respond immediately akarna acharia nanyora ngambo kwa to boli murura around 70,000 bakina bakoro wanja obeka chibe secho nacha nanyoro karu era twa kwantene simi amuramu abono barenga twarwani baka twikiro mo uyo minto Daniel iga asinjire ko eno manje waki igenta teba to ikata ko community pole ne familia yabo karu to ba pole na to batenga no ali na inu Okengo nyambane bamutoma maeti ye sobere kyombwaria asakuru kwa maviri ndonga no so tali ga igoka konyire Ekeonga basokonya rasa nyingi okonyere mesigi etanitie twarusi mpaka abantu kwa 150 jeje ajenge chinke igonera kanya ko musabirania kara ate gocha gatete kangende yonsi mokumo bwate sigato akimo motie igona igwete bari moto mwetu musikona achata ale nyanjwe yonsi igangitokoro kinyoreke milimani atakuja tembee vizuri awaongeresha muone vile anaonekana, si ndio? Ni kijana mdogo kama mimi, lakini ni mtu akona maono na ni mtu akona huruma.
Watu walichinga kichingongo akara tuarenge ngore meruberi yae mumate bire yarenge singi me kolteri tukeri me bire kana singi 1178 kamete asia ngomo astona arka ora menyire di paru mata ali wiki satu ya to berte asia ngomo akara tuaja ke to moroberi yo tuate me to kuana na wa musin tuate me to ya wa musin na baju me bete na to bai gereti tuaja kurma bi tu pa boli nyakta ko sana to koe to we nyakta ya to gani ngomo do bekra isu yu las ma chiba sia ka tu jate para nyare ko to ko akara tuate me ko yo mi to kengo nyambane akara tu ko liwa mangana ori ya ndari yangu atira ndari so wangu anyara ko to konye biri ati ga ya 60000 na to kiriera ando menda singe bukumi gorote banga abantu bantu bagodwa maji go atu akira ngambi ya mona simo ko ngambi ya mona kenya samo se ana tu aro moyo ko ya abantu bete se nyari bari jaje abaja se moto ya kasi ko ko mandari epi na baya to bere te ninya moto na bere taisi ile kamenda mono ko tine ko chibesa ko chanje
Right manchu murenyuranga boigo aborkigwani go bagendere tamona matemo bamanekira sigi 12 KCSE chinga kimwaziri bwitsemi muske Julius Ugamba migosi aberka gwasokia na ukwanira igoro yebikore by'ubung'enere ng'onde bwensi urachikotokana nigara chikomukirwa egetamo kiregetindi kirichiko abunongwe kiramori bwe Ekeonga Chinsa Inye chubutko bwarero sabari kibaito bamangana majya kurwase county ya Kisii Kaunti ya Nyamira wike kaunti ya Nairobi ngo bakira ngambya mono na bego to wakira ngambya mono soko chora kurigirire Ekeonga Chinsa Inye obutko barero chenkoro kwa Kevin ngo bakuru asensemelia yemanyerio ni gakuru kwa Wilson Bakori
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi
Godmart Supermarkets, igubono igukorera